This is Derek from KH. Today I'm going to show you how I do the wiring for the batteries of our LED candles. So I have some basic parts here: wire cutters, wire 30 AWG, LED light, batteries, solder, and a soldering iron. So let's start. First, let's look at the battery case. As you can see, it has 3 prongs. I generally start with wiring the positive side first, which is on the left of the battery case, and we are going to wire that to the first prong on the left.
The drop of the beat. The drop of the beat.
It's also helpful to have some tweezers around to help bend the wire into position. I also use small clamps to position and hold the wire while I solder. Because the type of LED I'm using already has a female connector, I'm going to use a male jumper just for the purpose of this video. Normally I would wire the LED directly to the battery case. So now I'm going to solder the male jumper wire to the middle prong. And finally I'm going to use another male jumper wire to connect to the negative tab on the battery case.
The drop of the beat.
So now it's time to put the batteries in, and check the switch. So as you can see, we are good. Everything seems to be working as expected. Again, for those of us manufacturing and designing LED lighting or candles, to keep the cost down, many companies like us buy individual components and do the assembly ourselves to keep cost low. I hope this helps you understand how to wire LED from scratch. See you again soon.